Hello everyone. It seems that you have enjoyed video compilations of horrifying moments caught on camera during fishing. So here is part 3 of this type of video. This first incident happened in Nepal, Africa. Fishermen were trying to film the sea's natural beauty when suddenly this nightmarish incident happened right in front of their camera. Another disturbing thing in this video is that someone near the cameraman was laughing during the horrible incident. The person who filmed this video made sure to point out that whoever was laughing was not part of their crew. Whales can support an entire ecosystem for decades when they die at sea, but when they become beached in shallow waters, they decompose much more quickly. Besides the overpowering smell of decomposing flesh, the gases inside the carcass can cause it to explode. Here is a video that depicts such a whale explosion. In this next video, the fish hook got caught on this man's eyebrow. This next video takes place in Latin America. In this video, an anaconda attacks the dog that was with the fisherman. They are afraid to come close to the anaconda since it could wrap around and suffocate them. So they try to get the snake off the dog, hitting it with wooden sticks. Finally, one of the men was able to safely catch the snake by the tail and pull it to the ground. Once on the ground, another man brought a machete and released the snake's jaws from the dog. In this video, 2 whales jump out from the water in such a close proximity to these people that it almost knocked them out. In this next video, a fisherman was filming a lion that came up to the water's edge and jumped in. Suddenly, a crocodile chases after the lion and attacks it. As you probably know, whales eat small fish by swallowing massive amounts of water together with the fish. In this video, the whale almost swallows the diver together with the small fish. In this video, a sea lion comes out of the water onto the shore near a beach. It starts to scare and chase after the crowd. Suddenly, the sea lion switches from the crowd and attacks a car that was parked in the parking lot and starts to crush it. I didn't know that sea lions got so big. I already showed you some videos with swordfish in the first part of horrifying fishing moments. If you remember, a swordfish almost killed a fisherman when they caught it. I found another video where fishermen again caught a swordfish, but before they were able to pour the swordfish out, a shark appeared out of nowhere and ate their catch before they could pull it onto the boat.